I'm diving into the secret wealth tips of rich people, and I'm challenging myself to apply them all for a month to see if I can transform my finances. The concept of wealth accumulation is fascinating, and there are certain secrets that rich people use to maintain and grow their wealth. These secrets are not always obvious, but they are crucial to building a strong financial foundation. Wealth is often misunderstood, with many people believing it comes solely from high income or inheritance. However, this is not always the case. Many wealthy individuals have worked hard to build their wealth from scratch, using a combination of smart investing, frugal living, and strategic planning. Some people think that wealthy individuals are just lucky or that they have some kind of secret advantage that others don't. But the truth is, wealth is often the result of careful planning and disciplined financial decision-making. The idea that wealth comes from high income is a common misconception. While having a high income can certainly help, it's not the only factor in building wealth. In fact, many people with high incomes struggle with debt and financial insecurity. This is because they often fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where they increase their spending to match their increasing income. On the other hand, wealthy individuals tend to prioritize saving and investing, even when they have a high income. Wealthy individuals also understand the importance of living below their means. They don't feel the need to keep up with the latest trends or buy expensive status symbols. Instead, they focus on building long-term wealth rather than short-term gains. This mindset is crucial to building wealth, as it allows individuals to prioritize their financial goals and make smart decisions about their money. Investing wisely is another key wealth tip used by affluent individuals. They understand the importance of diversifying their portfolio and taking a long-term approach to investing. They also prioritize education and continuous learning, recognizing that financial literacy is key to making smart investment decisions. By staying informed and adaptable, wealthy individuals are able to navigate the ups and downs of the market and make smart decisions about their investments. Networking is also crucial to building wealth. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of building relationships and connections that can help them achieve their financial goals. They attend conferences, join exclusive clubs, and participate in high-level networking events. They also prioritize building strong relationships with their mentors and peers, recognizing that these connections can lead to valuable opportunities and insights. Maintaining a frugal lifestyle is another key aspect of building wealth. Wealthy individuals prioritize saving and investing, and they avoid overspending on luxury items. They also recognize the importance of living below their means, and they make smart decisions about their money. By prioritizing their financial goals and making smart decisions, wealthy individuals are able to build long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom. The most impactful wealth tip is financial literacy. Wealthy individuals recognize the importance of continuous learning and education, and they prioritize staying informed about personal finance and investing. They read books, attend seminars, and participate in online forums to stay up to date on the latest trends and strategies. By prioritizing financial literacy, individuals can make smart decisions about their money and achieve their financial goals. Financial literacy is the key to unlocking long-term wealth. By understanding how to manage their finances effectively, individuals can avoid common pitfalls and make smart decisions about their money. They can prioritize saving and investing and avoid overspending on luxury items. They can also navigate the complexities of the financial system and make informed decisions about their investments. Wealthy individuals also recognize the importance of staying adaptable and open to new opportunities. They prioritize continuous learning and education, and they stay informed about the latest trends and strategies. By being proactive and adaptable, individuals can stay ahead of the curve and achieve their financial goals. They can also recognize new opportunities and capitalize on them, which can help them build long-term wealth. The wealth tips shared can be applied to everyday life for better financial health. By prioritizing financial literacy, investing wisely, and maintaining a frugal lifestyle, individuals can build long-term wealth and achieve financial freedom. It's all about making smart decisions about your money and prioritizing your financial goals. I hope you found these wealth tips helpful, and I'd love to hear which one resonated with you the most. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial advice.